this is what my setup looks like currently. This one is higher, then this one is like a little bit slower, then I have this small one here. So I'll also be using this reflector to bounce off the lights. So I got this new light on tripod. The one I had got spoiled. I mean, it can still work, but I just want to be on the safer side. So I got this spinner. I don't know if you guys can see and hear me. First off, I will need to use our medicine first. So I have my pregnant care plus here. I have my vitamin E soft gel, and these are calcium and one other medicine like that. So I need to use it first. Feeling this I want to say pressure, or like when I read about it, they said it's normal diet.
Finish them on fight off. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Pope. Steady playing like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me could deny my fantasy. What they check if my dad be no wrong. But it ain't rush well, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. Time on you because yeah. It ain't rush well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. It's no done, it's done. You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady game like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me to deny my fantasy. They want to check if my dad be go wrong. But it they rush well, it be more. Now when they make my heart be the rush. If I'm money we touch, yeah. It they rush well.
Giving out no nothing to no nigga just for fun.
Now, because my foundation is dark, I'll be using yellow corrector. This is Pro Concealer, the original, and I'll be using yellow corrector. So I just cut it into half so I can scoop it out to highlight. Now this will balance this darkness because the highlights will be more. If that makes sense. So for today, this is what my highlights is looking like. I want this inner corner to be brighter than my actual face, but at the same time I want to highlight my creative areas and here, so but I don't want it to be over light, if that makes sense. So
Giving out no nothing to no nigga just for fun. Are you other man? I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
I just said that love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So now to bring warmth and color to the face, I'll be using this blush. This is a rose blush. So I just bought this again, and I'll be using this contour shade. This my nose. I just like to use my nose contour brush, and do something like this to the brush. And if I need more, I'll go back to maybe my hands, or just tip and pat it on the actual contour itself.
Love.
for a
man,
circular
that's a man,
design.
it's just a man, that's a dirty, dirty love.
I'm still with you, boy.
And once you know we're at the bar, that's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all the girl. But I just love it when me fling fling control.
I've not even highlighted it yet, and the nose is being snatched. You can't tell me otherwise. So this is what we look like now. I'll go ahead to highlight that nose again just to define it. Now this time I can use any powder of your choice. Personally, I love to use wax powder, but I don't want to add more again. So I'll just be going with this. Do the same thing. Now your blush depends on you. Any how you like it personally. You see, I don't like to go too much of blush, especially this color of blush. I prefer to use for dark skin. I would say this blend it together and make sure to blend it with the highlighter as well. Now just like this. Blend everything together. We're using the actual powder. It's the powder diffuse and then blend. Also feel free to take it here so that you can use it to swipe or you tap it inside. So for my brow, I love to go in with black or brown. Personally, I love to use black, but you just have to use light hand strokes for it. But if you don't know how to use black, I think I have a video on my YouTube channel on how to use black eye pencil for the eyebrow. But we'll be using this brown. Now you want it to be super sharp. Super sharp.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all the girl. But I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
So I'm using this Cara eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you guys know this palette. So I'm using the brown shade in this.
This one I bet you me, I no get time.
So for lashes, I use this lash and I use this XL 8XL mascara for my under lash. And for lips, I think I want to do this nude and I'll line it with this brown pencil. So let's see. I will change it later to red for the night shoots, but for the indoor shoots, if I don't like what it's giving, so I'll use this with the palette and I'll use the pink. Yeah, much better. I like this color. Just need to blend it out and I'll be back. Dang, this look is too much. Too much. No day. Eh? Omore. Mo lo fi tọrọ ọmọ. Hey, ó wá ní kó má bínú ẹ ọ̀nà dà. Eh? Ah. Yai. Yai, yala yai. Dang. I see. I see. I think I need to put more highlights. Highlighters, please. Like this one, not that this one. But yeah, this is what we look like now. Let's use the air. This is the moment of truth.
With you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am.
Aww, this is my first time. I just have to manage this way. So I think I'll move from here. So this is what we look like. I feel super happy that I got everything right. So now I'll tie it back so that I can wear my clothes to further tight. I don't know what. Hi guys, I'm Roslyn and welcome to another vlog. So I ordered from Monica Pill. Same thing too, but different sizes. Because I don't know which one will size me, given that I'm currently 9 months and I thought my bum would be super big.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we do what's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it